Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. I'm Raji Ramakrishnan. Today I'm going to make a soup with amla. For that I have taken 3 amla, cut and kept it here. Garlic, two small ones, and a few Pudina leaves, few Coriander leaves, few curry leaves. Now we need dal ka pani. I have taken Moongdal ka pani. Boil the moong dal and put water in that, mash it and put water in that, and extract the dal water from that. Then coriander leaves for garnishing, salt, ghee for tadka. In tadka we'll put black pepper and coriander, cumin seeds crushed. We will coarse grind the ingredients. I have taken a small piece of ginger also. We'll coarse grind the amla, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, etc. The kadai is hot. We'll put 1 teaspoon of ghee in it. The ghee is hot. We'll put the cumin seeds and the black pepper in it. Now we'll add the crushed amla mixture in this. We'll saute this for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll add half cup of water in this, and in the dal also I have added half cup of water. I have taken half cup of dal in this. Totally 1 cup of water I have added. The salt goes in. When it starts boiling, we can switch off the gas and add the coriander leaves and lime juice. If you want, you can add a little bit of lime juice in it and serve hot. Amla soup is ready. We can serve it hot. The healthy amla soup is ready. I have added lime juice in it. The amla soup is ready here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel. Press all button and the bell icon so that you will get the notifications immediately.